Hello, my name is Mohul Chakraborty. Today I am going to show that how to record your screen online. First of all, you need to open your Chrome browser. See, this method will only work in Chrome browser in any operating system. Then then we have to open this website. I will give the link in the description. Then I have to click on this start or pause button. Hello, my name is Mohul Chakraborty. Now I am recording a YouTube video. There are some errors which I have to correct. That's it. Mm. To convert your speech to text, you need a good microphone. Webcam attached microphones are not are not suitable for this. You need either a desktop microphone or a headset microphone to convert your speech to text. After now, I am showing you how to save this. Okay. I have to simply click here Ctrl.s, then it will save. Then I am closing this window and again going here speechnotes.co. Then I am going to this file option. Then then I then I am opening the note which I have created just now. See, thank you.